Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change notifications volume on Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. And settings, go to sounds and vibration. And sounds and vibration, you can see the volume, okay? Tap the volume. And volume, you can see the notifications adjustment. To change the notifications volume, okay, you'll have to do is slide the adjustment to the left to lower the volume. And you can adjust to the right to high the volume. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully changed the notification volume on Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.